Hi, I'm Don, and this is the Hobbyist Geek. Today, we are doing issue 60 of our R2 build, and we have our parts here. It looks like we've got a cable, another dome panel, something I don't recognize at all, and a number of plastic plugs. But let's get this thing open and see what we got. All right, these are the parts we get with this issue. We have a dome top panel, a shoulder fitting, a cable for the logic function display, and a number of plastic plugs. We will need the cable and the plastic plugs. However, the dome panel and the shoulder fitting will not be used today. For the logic function board, we've got this from, I don't even know what issue this came in. That was a long time ago. But if you look on the back, you've got a little small port for a connector, and we have ourselves a plug. So we'll just plug the small end in here. There we go. And that actually completes this step. And moving on, we'll take the left leg assembly that we have done so far, and we're going to use these plastic plugs to fill in all the holes, starting at the top of the ankle and moving up, but not these two holes here at the bottom of the shoulder. Alright, and when all is said and done, it should look something like this. And that completes stage 60. Well, that was a short issue, but quite nice. Got some more plugs in here. It looks like we're still 6 plugs shy of closing up this side of the leg. And moving forward from there. Not a whole lot to do, but if you like the video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Have a great day.